Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case it's your first time, I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for stopping by. I actually woke up today craving Quaker Oats, so I decided to film the entire process. It's actually a healthy grain that you can easily incorporate into your breakfast menu. So I have a sachet of Quaker Oats that have been lying in my cupboard for some time now. It actually comes in different sizes and flavors as well, and this sachet one is actually very affordable for everyone. To make this Quaker Oats, I'll be transferring about 1 cup of water into my pan, then cover and allow it to get to a rolling boil. Okay, it's boiling already, so just go ahead and reduce the heat to low, then transfer about 1/3 cup of oats into the pan, then stir continually just so it doesn't form a loop. So the quantity of water for Quaker Oats is actually dependent on the quantity of oats you want to make, so you can easily double up this recipe. Oats also don't take too long to cook, just an interval of 2 to 3 minutes. All you just need to do is to start interval as I'm doing. Oats also have numerous health benefits as they are rich in fiber for good digestion. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. It also helps for weight management if that's your goal because it helps you to feel fuller for longer. It also helps to keep the blood sugar in check since it has a very low glycemic index. It also helps to support heart health by reducing low density lipoprotein, which is known as the bad cholesterol. So in general, oats is actually a very healthy, quick, and easy meal that is perfect for busy schedules. So this is the consistency of mine. If you want yours to be more runny, you can add little more water to it, but just know that as it cools down, it also thickens up as well. So just take off mine from the heat and serve because oats is best served hot. So for more nutrients, I'll be topping up mine with some grape and banana slice. I'll also be adding evaporated milk to give it a creamy taste and a drizzle of honey for sweetness, then mix everything together. So time out is actually stopping you from making Quaker Oats today. The taste is actually 100 minus nothing. So try and make some for your family today. There are also lots of easy breakfast recipes that are available in the channel. So please feel free to check them up after watching this video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please, if you've learned something new today and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.